Nigel Stewart here from Chapleton Maroons. Leading up to this game, but the players dug their heels in. They fought today. You got a point. What contributed to that today?
I mean, the disappointment of last week, you know, we spoke about it, and we decided to come here today, and we wouldn't give up, we just come with the fight.
Yeah, I mean, the window is still open. You have a few more days left. Are there areas you try still into cover as you try to rebound from losing? I mean, according to the rules, 6 points, which, you were on 2 points, I think all the way down to 2 points. What is the plan for that going ahead?
Yeah, we have position on the team that we're going to strengthen. If you look at our attacking areas, we need to get that right. But we have another few players to deal with in the Monday, Tuesday, so hopefully we'll get that right.
We also understand that you could be having some assistance from an overseas coach coming in. Is that still on the cards, or you are the man at the wheel for the rest of the season?
No, that is still on the cards, so let's see what happens.
So we expect to see Clovis de Oliveira first thing Monday morning?
You should, so that's
All right, thank you, Coach Stewart, and all the best for the rest of the season.
Thanks,
yeah,